A squatter settlement in Mount Oliver, St. Anne is on the brink of collapse this evening after several homes were demolished and dozens more slated for demolition. Now the residents are furious that the homes were destroyed despite the case being active in the court. While the St. Anne Municipal Corporation has intervened, the residents are urgently seeking a lifeline. Valley Manor in Mount Oliver, St. Anne. Over 60 homes built on about 300 acres of land overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Prime real estate for the dozens of people who call this place home. But on Wednesday, June 10, the first sign that this community is no longer their safe haven. Melissa Forbes has been living in the area for over 22 years.
I never expect this, and the owner come and say he is the rightful owner, which is no paper. Yesterday when him come, first time I was seeing him, first time for all these years.
The fact is, these residents do not have titles for the land they have been occupying. So in essence, they have been squatting on the land undisturbed for decades.
I really feel bad if you know, say, as a trying mother, most of who the penny don't have it. I just try if you just sacrifice yourself and do what we do. And if you see them come in and demolish people building, that is not good. Nobody can feel good over this.
Yeah, so when we come here, so a machete to have the use, a cutout pass or what, no road, nothing not there, so, and power saw. Yeah, so we want some justice, so I go and we don't like it, honestly.
We were informed that the people who claim to be the owner of the land took a few of the residents to court and that the matter is still active, which is why the residents are questioning who ordered the demolition. At least 4 houses have been destroyed so far.
And the trial is set for September. So I was surprised when I called. You know, I was told, and I told that officer's name and other person came and started demolition.
And more houses are still going up in the community.
I have a foundation on my own, you know. I have a garage, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a bedroom on my own when we start.
How much persons in your household?
Well, I don't really live in my own yet.
It's still not clear who gave the people permission to build on the property, and they remain tight-lipped. It is also puzzling how the authorities allowed the community to become so developed. However, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Navis, said the Municipal Corporation had to intervene and stop the demolition pending the court order.
The perceived owner is saying that he's been given these individuals notice several, and some in certain cases, they've been given stop orders as far as he's concerned. So I insisted and directed the tractor and it came with some security personnel to cease and desist. So,
in acknowledging that the residents should also be respected and compensated, he said in going forward, several recommendations have been made.
In the form of discounts for the lots when they submit their subdivision, and have them get first preference, and thereafter allowing them to even get a portion of the land where everyone will be moved to that portion as some sort of compensation for which would have to be they'll have to be relocated.